Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 Constituent Assembly members. In this particular episode, we will speak on Jerome D'Souza. He was born on 6th of August 1897 in the Mulki town of Mangalore in the erstwhile South Canara district of British India in a Catholic family. He did his secondary schooling at Mangalore and college studies were done at Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. After completing the English literature course at the University of Madras, he first taught at Joseph College, Trichy. After completing the English literature course at University of Madras, he first taught at St. Joseph College, Trichy, and after that decided to enter the Society of Jesus. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Madras Presidency. He spoke on various issues like he participated in the debate regarding languages, he participated in debates involving minority rights, he participated in the debates regarding the reservation issue. He also spoke on the national flag. We'll just see what he spoke on national flag. Quote, "Ours is a very happy and singularly well conceived symbol with its harmony of color and with its unique idea of circle in the center into which such a wealth of meaning can be concentrated. Sir, this circle, this wheel, which represents so many things, times and its revenges, industry and all its achievements represent for us also eternity and the values of eternal life." Unquote. So this is what he spoke regarding our flag on 22nd of July 1947. Further, he had some social contributions. He established Xavier Board of Higher Education in India. He passed away on 12th of August 1977. We are grateful for his contribution in making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.